Hi, this is John with WTI. And currently in my country, we're living a lot of changes when it comes to the temperature. Like in the morning, it's really hot, but it gets colder in the afternoon and in the evening. And this is where this Birds and Bees lip balm comes into place. So having this change of temperatures, it constantly affects me when it comes like with the skin and trying to keep your lips moist. And right now that we're about to, what we are already in almost December, that the weather and the temperature is constantly changing a lot in my country. It actually hurts a lot your skin. So having a lip balm that is gonna be effective and at the same time is gonna be a good quality is a most in this stuff. And this Birds and Bees that actually this cucumber smell, it actually does the job perfectly. So take care of yourself. And this was John with WTI.